there are a lot of opinions here and there, but time does not permit. In a khutbah, this is just a reminder to myself, to you, our viewers worldwide, a reminder, a motivation to be a better people. Because we want our soul to leave our body very peaceful, so that the stay in Barzakh will be loving, peaceful. And you know, people who have the same chemistry, souls that got the same chemistry, they meet each other. I mentioned that a couple of weeks ago, I think, here in class. Like how sometimes you see somebody, you go to Timbuktu and you see somebody you've never been to Timbuktu, and they say, wait now, I know you. Did I ever meet you? Not really. But you know what? Your souls met before. So there is some kind of chemistry. So when you're looking for a wife, try to look for a wife that the soul met before. So you live a happy life. You don't have to wonder your entire life, do I know you? Do you know me? Do I know you? I don't know you. But that might take very long, huh? See the brother laughing at that might take very long. Now you're going to say, what is wrong with this sheikh? We can't find somebody living in person. He's telling us about looking for a soul. But that's what you call a soulmate. When the chemistry mix, there is some connection. You think alike. You like the same things. Like the same conversation. You like to pray to Allah the same way. You like to make ibadah the same way. Not you have one person, they don't want to pray and you want to pray. You already were not friends before. You had a problem before. You want to bring up your child in the name of Allah, the other one wants to bring the child up in the name of the devil. So you were really not soulmates before. You got some things that can click, chemistry.